Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Log In. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log into Ally bank account online. If you'd like to log into one of your bank accounts on Ally Bank since you've recently enrolled for online banking, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up a web browser in order to start. In the address bar at the top, type in www.ally.com and press enter. You'll end up in the official website of Ally. Go to the top right corner of the screen and click on the login button. This will open up an expanded menu. At the right hand corner, select your account type from the drop down, then click on bank or invest to log in, and now type in your username that is associated with your account. Now, head over to the password text field and type in your password. Make sure to type in the correct password while logging into your account. To double check, click on this little eye icon at your right corner. If you'd like the system to save your username so that you won't have to type in again and again next time you try to log into your account, check this box right here. But remember to uncheck this box if you are using a public device or a shared device. In case you don't remember your username or your password, you can click on these links right here where it says forgot username or password. Follow the instructions and look for your username, or in case you've lost your password, reset your password to a new one. If you're not enrolled for online banking yet, you can click on enroll in either Auto or Bank and Invest online services. Select your respective choices and click on the links in order to start enrolling for online banking. After typing in all the information needed in order to log into your account, click on the login button and you'll be logged into your bank account for Ally in no time. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.